Oh snap. Oh snap. I was gonna hit up Adidas, but yeah, apparently they got a fat line. Oh wow. Maybe I'll do an Under Armour vlog? No, there have been a couple of guys asking for it. All right, let's go into Under Armour, see what they got. I won't know anything there, but yeah, let's look around. All right, we're gonna do it, you guys. 40% off. Oh man, they got us with the fine print up to 40% off. Let's see what we find, you guys. See what we find. Dang, this store is huge, huge. Do see a lot of sales tags. The back store right there, the back portion of the store right there is where they have all the sneakers. Let's start with the sneakers and then we can check out the clothes as well. All right, this is the back room where they do have all the sneakers. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna know the name of any of the sneakers here, but I'll do my best to show you guys. All right, we are starting off with kind of a hyped pair of sneakers. These are I was gonna say Jolly Ranchers. No, the Sour Patch Kids, right? These are the Sour Patch Kids Curry 7s. They have this colorway as well as the green colorway. They don't have the green one here, but they got these pretty loud. Maybe a little too loud for me. By a little bit, I mean way too loud. I guess one size says sweet, another size says sour. All right, $1.40 for these. Going for retail price. Do got a couple of did I just call them curries? Do got a couple of curries here. Couple different colorways. Okay. By couple, I mean 3 different colorways. So a few. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. They do have the Curry 6s. Now these are going to be on sale. Down 40% from the original. Not that big of a difference. Not that big of a difference. I guess there's a little plastic part that comes out. Probably to help stiffen the sneakers. But yeah, that does look a little more refined. That's the Curry 7 and that's the Curry 6 right here. Everything here, pretty much plenty of sizes. Pretty much on every one of the sneakers. These are Steph Curry 03s. Guess these are the low tops. Got a few different colorways. And they're all going for $90 and then you get 30% off on top of that. You got some hovers. These are the Hover Infinites. Okay, $1.19 for these. Hover Sonic 2s going for $100. Guess these are running shoes. I know Hover is their premier cushioning technology. Yeah, $100 for these. Some Phantom runners, Phantom SC runners. These are going for $140 and you get 40% off of that. Hover Machinas. Okay. $1.50 for these. Got a few different colorways. $150, that seems a little steep. I'm just saying. Do got some men's trainers, $75. Let's go check out the clearance section, see what's going on over there. Clearance section, not the biggest, but yeah, it's worth a look. Additional 50% off in the clearance, but it's all mostly cleats. Let's see if we find something else. Size 12, these are Hover Havocs. These are going for $80, but you do get 50 off, so that's not bad. Got some Curry 5, size 12, going for $50. Dude, those are kind of ugly, dude. I don't know. Got some Curry 5s. Yeah, the Curry 5s, I'm not a fan of those at all. $65 for those, and you get 50% off. That's a 13.5. You never see 13.5, huh? Curry 6s, see, this is what's up right here. Curry 6s, $50 for these. That's what's up, $50. This is a size 13 though. Yeah, but these are definitely doper than most of the other sneakers here. $50, size 13, not bad. What are these? The Hover Havoc 2s. They're $120 though? Size 6. It does look like the cushioning is pretty dope on those. The heck is this? Summit BM Black History Month? Okay. These are size 7.5. These are actually pretty decent. Got suede on it. I don't know, this might be the dopest thing I've seen so far. Yeah, $105 for these, size 7.5. They got those in size 11.5 as well. Under Armour golf shoes, size 10. These are going for $100, 50 off. All right, that's about it. Let's go check out the clothes and go to the next spot. This is a huge outlet clearance section. You get another 50% off. You know we gotta look. Apparel, $70 for this jacket right here. Does look like something similar to Tech Fleece or something. $70, you get 50% off. You got a polo right here. This is a size medium. Normally goes for $60 down to $46, and you get 50% off. T-shirt, $16, normally $22. So you get 16 and then 50% off, so $8. Regular Under Armour shirt normally goes for 22, it's down to 19. Got a couple of really extra bright polos down to $42. And you get 50% off of that. Alright, so you do get, oh, okay. So you get an additional, you get a $10 gift card with a $50 purchase. And then all this stuff is 40% off. Okay. This feels really good, but it's super thin. Wow, that's just surprising. These are all going for $50. You do get 40% off of that. Checking out the women's clothes. These are going for $80. You get 30% off of that. Got a couple of different colorways. Okay, what's up with this jacket? This is 30% off of this thing. $200, you get 30% off of that. Long sleeve shirt, these are also 30% off. These are size large, going for $45. Fleece jackets, all these are 30% off as well. $70, and you get 30 off of that. All right, I think we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. We've looked around here quite a bit. Yeah, let's go see what's up at one of the other shops. We do have a Reebok store, you guys. I think it says 60% off everything. Wow. All right, let's take a look, you guys. Let's take a look. Maybe we get some Iversons or some Shaqs. I doubt it, but we'll see. Entire store 60% off. We have been finding a lot of heat at Foot Locker though, so I don't know if it's gonna be lower than those prices. Of course, we're gonna start in the clearance section. See if we can find some dope. Oh, look, got some DMX right here, size 9. Going for $130. This 60% off. Maybe not too bad, you guys. This is a size 9, so $130, 60 off. Do got some cross trainers. These don't have a price though. These are saying $120 for these. These totally remind me of the Nike Metcons. And I know they did take over. Reebok did have a stranglehold on the CrossFit type of stuff for quite a long time. Because I think they have a license with CrossFit. Yeah, $120, 60% off. This size 7.5. Seeing a lot of the CrossFit stuff, you guys. 8.5 for $120. These are some gold joints. Kind of like a Notre Dame colorway. $120, size 10. No Iversons, no Shaqs. Of course, that is kind of like trying to find some Jordans at the Nike outlet. Not gonna find too many of those. All right, let's look around. There's some cool old school looking high tops. 75 for these. I don't know what they're called. The mid, the OS mid. Oh, okay. Is this? Oh, this is not 60% off. That's just 25% off. Okay, 65 for those. These are the nylon, the CL nylon, the classic nylons. Dang, all the classics, they're only 25% off. And then this is excluded from the promotion. So all the dope stuff, it's all excluded. That's kind of disappointing. But stuff like this, it is 60% off, right? Club C Revenge, these actually aren't that bad. 70, kind of high though, even with 60% off. These have like some dope boxes. What the heck? Oh, it's a corduroy and it's not included. It's a Minions. Oh, okay, it's a Minions one. Okay. What is this? Oh, got some pumps. Is this one of the Minions pumps? Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't see it. Oh, it's the bottom one. $170 for those, and it looks like it's excluded thing. It's a doorbuster, but it excluded from their 60% off. Like, how does that even make sense? Aren't the doorbusters supposed to be the best deal? So, yeah, I don't understand this. These are the Nanos, one of the CrossFit ones. Okay. Kind of reminds me of the Iverson, like with the colorway, but it's not. Okay. So you got the Zig Tech, but it looks like this is excluded. All the Zig Tech excluded. This is their new Zig Tech, but it's a Dynamica. Okay. $50 for those. Still not 60% though. Got a bunch of them and they're all excluded. Yeah, they're all excluded. Alright, man. I think we're gonna wrap it up. I feel like I got swindled. Man. Alright, I hate ending it on something like that. Kind of want to hit up this, but I don't think they're open. Are they open? Oh, they close at 8. Everyone else closed at 9. They close at 8. What the hell? Alright, I don't want to end on that Reebok vlog because, yeah, I didn't think that was very good. So, yeah, let's see what's up at this Asics store, you guys. Alright, we're going to see if they have any dope classics. I want to see if they have any of the gel lights. I don't know. Let's see. Clearance. It is all 40% off. And I am in the size 10s, but, yeah, I don't see any And they're dope classics, you guys. Well, not in my size. Like, they do have these. We saw these cheap as hell for Locker. They're going for $110 here. You do get that 40% off on top of that. Size 12 right here. What are these? Oh man, these are the Quantum 90s. Not even the 180s. Come on now, you guys. Getting 75 for those. Microflex. What the hell are these Microflex? Okay. Size 99, 98. Pretty much going for $100. This is size 14. To get that 40 off. The Quantum Infinities. Oh yeah, those are the ones that we just saw. Okay, see, this ain't bad. This is not bad. $60 for the. Oh wait. Oh yeah, the front. Oh man, it looked dope from like right here, but then the front. Oh man, that's ugly. $60 for those. That is a size 8.5. Yeah, more of the same right here, you guys. Nothing really dope, dude. Nothing really dope. The women's section, seeing if there's anything different or anything doper. But no, it's kind of seeing the same stuff. The Quantum Infinities, a couple different colorways, all going for $110. Dude got the Gel DS Trainer 24s. Those are going for $100. Okay, that's the size 9.5. What is this? A Microflex? This is size 10. It kind of looks like an ACG type of thing. Go for $100. Got the Gel Quantum 90s. Those are going for $70. These are all 40% off on top of this. The Nimbus 21s. Okay, go for $110. I know those are some pretty serious running shoes. There's a little side area right here, but kind of the same stuff. Oh, I didn't even see this area right here. They got a little clearance section right here. It does come full box and all that stuff. They got the Cayenne 05s. Pretty dope. I'll go for $70, $60, and $90. Okay. The rest of the stuff, it is buy one, get one 70% off. So pretty much you have to get two to get a really good deal. These are the Quantum 180s. All retail price $120, but if you get two, you get a really good deal. I think these might be my favorite here, only because it's suede. But yeah, the Quantum 360s, okay. Okay, they do got some classics right here, the Tigers. I think these are the Japan S. These are pretty dope. Okay, these are are these $40? Are they $40 and buy one get one 70 off? Oh, okay, that's the deals I'm talking about. Okay. Oh hell yeah, get two of these. Dang, yeah, I think the second one comes out to what? $13. So you get one for $40, $13. Okay, that's what's up. 3 different colorways of these. Man, that's what's up. I really don't want to buy 2 though. This one's alright. I kind of prefer the other 2. More tumbleness, different type of leather. Did that just... no, that didn't come off my hands. What the heck? Okay. We got quite a few sizes. 10, 10.5, 11, 13s, 12s, 11s. Okay, got a few sizes. We're seeing what's going on in the women's section. Yeah, seeing what's up. Yeah, I think the Noosas. I think these are the ones I saw last time. These are also buy one, get one 70% off. These have the most flavor pretty much out of all the Asics here. Even the regular colorway has like different textures and stuff like that. Kind of gives it a lot more flavor. Yeah, these are pretty dope. I don't know about $140, but maybe with that buy one, get one 70% off, maybe worth it. The Quantum 360s, they're down to $120, so if you get 2 of those, probably worth a pretty good deal. They got quite a few of them. This is the knit one, and they got the non-knit one, I guess, the 4s. The knit one does feel a lot better up top. Yeah, they got, oh, this one's pretty dope. This is really dope. And these are hella comfortable. I have a couple of the Quantum 360s. These are super dope. Got a bunch of different looks and a bunch of different colors. They do got some dope shirts here. See, these are the ones I'm looking for. Those are the Gel Light 3s, man. Wish they had those. Dang it. They don't even have the price tag for the shirts and stuff here, though. What's up with that? Like, shouldn't they have the prices somewhere? Oh, okay, here we go. See how much these are going for. I really like those. I'd grab those, and I'd grab those if they had the shoes here. Super dope. Oh, $22, okay. Any sales on the shirts? No, not really. Oh, wait. These are women's tees, or? Oh, the tees over there. Okay, so they're all $10. That's actually pretty dope. Okay, they got quite a lot of shirts for $10. Not bad, you guys, not bad. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. End it on a positive. It's good to end it on a positive, you guys. All right, you guys, we did hit up quite a few places here, you guys. I think I hit up 5 stores while I was here. It is a freaking Monday. I need to go home, edit the videos. then I need to get my butt to work tomorrow morning. So yeah, definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for making it to the end, you guys. Definitely appreciate it. To be really honest with you, people have been asking me for the Under Armour vlog for quite some time. I wasn't really expecting much because every time I have gone in there, it has been pretty mediocre. You know, I thought it was kind of mediocre. I thought the Reebok was pretty mediocre, but that Asics was decent. It was decent. I'm not gonna say it was dope, but it was pretty decent. I wish they had some more of their classic or more of their casual shoes. I'd be super happy if they had more of their casual shoes. Probably go buy stuff or probably go visit them a lot more often. But you know, it is what it is. You know, hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. Click that notification bell because we do drop a whole lot of videos. Probably the second video today. I'll continue to drop at least one video, maybe two on certain days. So yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.